Human cloning. Are secret programs already replacing us? What if the person next to you isn't really human? What if celebrities, leaders, or even you have already been cloned? Sounds like a sci-fi movie? Think again. Secret programs, hidden experiments, and government cover-ups. In this video, we expose the shocking truth behind human cloning and the terrifying possibility that some of us may already be replaced. Microscope Part 1: Official Science versus Whistleblowers. In 1996, Dolly the sheep became the first cloned mammal. Scientists declared it a breakthrough, yet claimed human cloning was still far away. But behind the scenes, whistleblowers tell a very different story. According to former insiders from classified labs, human cloning began in the early 2000s. Secret military projects. Underground biotech firms. One source even claimed the real breakthroughs never make the news. They're buried deep inside black-budget programs. Test Tube Part 2: Alleged cloning facilities. Reports have emerged of hidden cloning labs in Siberian bunkers, Nevada military zones, Chinese superlabs backed by the government. These are not science fiction. Leaked documents suggest these facilities specialize in rapid cell replication, memory imprinting, bio-identical replacements. In other words, cloning a full-grown human with implanted behavior. Face Mask Part 3: Celebrity clones and replacements. Ever noticed celebrities who suddenly change? A singer who acts robotic after rehab. A politician who survives an accident but seems different. Clone conspiracy theorists believe many famous figures were replaced. Theories swirl around Kanye West, Avril Lavigne, even Joe Biden. Whether you believe it or not, the internet is filled with side-by-side footage that makes you question everything. DNA Part 4: Why cloning? WHO benefits? If clones exist, who controls them? Some theories suggest clones are used for espionage, replacing leaders with compliant versions. Celebs are cloned for marketing, easier to control, manipulate, and reset. Tech firms are experimenting with cloning plus AI integration, creating the first bio-digital hybrids. The real question isn't just, are clones real? It's, how long have they been here? Brain ending. So, is human cloning a terrifying future? Or is it already our hidden present? Could you have already met a clone and never realized it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because the truth is no longer science fiction. It's science, suppressed,